So the Paws Pages program is a reading program for the Coeur d'Alene School District first graders. It is designed to promote a passion for reading, to create lifelong readers.
At the beginning of the school year, the first grade teachers give each first grade student a puppy. It's so fun to see the kids' reactions when they get the puppies. The goal of it is to get the kids excited to learn to read. They have different goals set up. They have, for every 20 minutes you read, you can earn things for your puppy. You can earn prizes for them, like collars and leashes. It takes the kids into this spot where they're so excited to read. They can't wait to read, which is so important at that time. And at the last day of school, they learn they get to take their puppies home with them, which is so fun.
First grade, I think, is a pretty imperative year to grow readers. They come from kindergarten learning their letters and their sounds, their numbers, but in first grade they put all of that thinking together. I think when they get the puppy, it signifies that they are a reader, and so that's pretty powerful and impactful. Plus it leverages that sense of responsibility.
The program's been around before, previously known as Learning with Lucky. When Learning with Lucky fizzled, the schools and the PTOs and the community tried to limp the program along. They were self-funding the program. For us to be able to step in and back it financially was great.
Yeah, the Excel Foundation was started in 1987. Our main goal is to fund grants for educators in School District 271. Over the past 35 plus years, we've funded over $3 million in grants to local schools. Excel thought this would be a fantastic program to bring back to the district. We got together, we started researching costs, prices, coordinating everything, and with the help of Parker, we were able to put it all together.
I remember hearing stories, and still to this day hear stories of people that have their puppy, remember us coming into the schools and giving their puppy. I'm an avid reader myself, and I think that reading just opens up so many doors for students, for people. You learn a ton reading, and so I think it's just important to start that love, that passion, that habit as early as first grade or earlier.